Hello, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw and name the isomers of this structure. The first thing is to write out the molecular formula. Isomers are compounds that have the same molecular formula but different structures. So to figure out the molecular formula, we need to know the number of carbons and also hydrogens. Okay? So this compound is an alkane. An alkane has a general formula of CnH2n plus 2. The carbons of a line or skeletal structures are the ends and corners. So you have this to be carbon 1, carbon 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we know the carbons. This N represents the number of carbons. So we're going to say C5, H2 times 5 is 10 plus 2, that is 12, meaning that we have C5, H12 as the molecular formula. Now let's look at what can be the isomer of this structure. So I'm going to start by shortening the length to 4 carbons. So I'm going to draw out 4 carbons, which is this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The carbon 5 we had earlier, I'm going to place it on either 2 or 3. So I'm going to choose to put it on carbon 2. Now we have a total of 5 carbons, and that will give us exactly the same molecular formula. Then I'm going to go on and reduce this to 3 carbon chain. So that will be 1, 2, and 3. Then we had the carbon that was on 2 before, leave it there. So the parent chain is 1, 2, and 3. This carbon 4, put it on the carbon 2. Now we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which also has the same molecular formula. So that means that this compound has 3 isomers in total. Now let's go ahead and name them. Starting with the first one, I have a total of 5 carbons with no substituent. And since we said earlier that this is an alkane, the prefix for 5 carbon is pent. Okay, so for this one, you're going to have pent, and then the suffix of alkane is ane, A-N-E, and that means that this is just pentane. Now we move on to this one. The longest continuous chain is 4. And on carbon 2, you have this 1 carbon branch attached. A 1 carbon branch is known as methyl, and we're going to just start by saying 2-methyl, then 4 carbon chain. The prefix is but, B-U-T, and of course this ends with A-N-E. So the name is 2-methyl butane. This last one, the longest continuous carbon chain is 3. And then on carbon 2, you have 2 of the methyl groups attached. When you have identical substituents, you're going to use di, tri, tetra type of prefix to group them. So since I have 2 of these methyl groups, I'm going to use di. Di represents 2 of identical substituents. But you must also mention the position. So that's going to be 2, 2, even though it's the same, repeat it because that shows it has 2 of those branches attached. So 2, 2, dimethyl, then prop is the prefix for 3 carbons, and of course the suffix is ane. So you can clearly see that these isomers are 3 different compounds, but they are called isomers because they have the same molecular formula. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe or follow me for more videos like this.